just about grieving the pain of our ancestors, but it's about celebrating the successful African Americans in our society today. See, we came from Henry Stowe, being the first black man to discover people's talents and put them on record labels. Music such as hip-hop and R&B. To Oprah Winfrey, being the most successful black billionaire in America today. We rose from Mary C.J. Walker on her own manufacturing store of hair care products. See, we came a long way, and even though we went through slavery, and yes, I say we, because my ancestors' blood still runs through my veins. So I said, even though we went through slavery and segregation, we have so much to be thankful for. But it's not just whites, and it's not just blacks. See, Martin Luther King dreamt that blacks, whites, Jews, Gentiles, Catholics, and Protestants could sit at a table together. So us as a people, if we want to wear some type of clothing, we should do as we please without being judged. Listen to any kind of music without being criticized. We should be able to be dignified like Gandhi, stand like Martin Luther King, and be determined like Rosa Parks. And one day, maybe one day, we will turn the radio and we won't have to listen to them call us the generational curse. So what? So what if somebody's hair just a little bit silky, and somebody's eyes are just a little chinky, and somebody's hips and lips